Hello, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, let us take a look at how do we check out and check in the files in SharePoint Online document library using Power Automate Desktop. Let's get started. Now, I do have the SharePoint document library and I do have some files in it. What I would like to do is I would like to check out the onboarding document so that exclusively the user can work on this. The bot can actually work on this document. Once the work is finished, I would like to check in the document back. The advantage of checking out a document is you hold the exclusive access and till time the other users can only read the file, they cannot modify the file. Well, if you have certain scenarios, you can use the checkout and check-in option. Well, let's go and take a look at that. Now, to check out the file, first we would need the file ID, file identifier. Well, in this case, let's go ahead and first get the file metadata. Drag and drop get file metadata. Open the site address. I'm going to select the IT department site. Let's go with the IT department site. File identifier will select our file, which is in the projects document library. Under that, we have the service desk automation. Under that, we have the onboarding documents, and in that we have the our docx file. So let's select that, and we will get all the properties as a part of the get file metadata response. Click on save. Let's go back and now check out the file. So drag and drop check out file. Site address, it's going to be IT department site. Library name, you can also bring in the values from the variable. It's going to be projects, and the ID is going to be output of this, and look for the item ID. That's the ID that we would like to check out. Now let me mimic that we are performing some actions, so I will add some delay. So let us use a wait flow control just to mimic some actions. Well, if you see, this is in the seconds. So let's go, and in this case, let's go for 10 seconds of delay. Click on save. And then what we will do is we will then check file back in. So let's go and open the SharePoint actions and go for checking file. Now exactly like this, we will provide the same department site, library name, that is going to be projects, and the ID is the same file which we checked out, which is the item ID. Comments, you can provide the comments at the time of check-in. Checking in from PAD, and check-in type is going to be major version publish. Click on save. Well, let's hit run. Let me open this. Let the process run. It started running. It's now checking out. It is checked out and waiting for 10 seconds. Let's refresh and quickly see it is checked out. Well, you can see the file is now checked out as indicated by the icon. We checked out this item and now it is checked in back. So let me refresh back, and now you see. So let us select the file, 3 dots, and let's look for a version history. And you can see that checking in from the PAD. So we checked out at this time. And you can see that when we checked out and then performed the check-in, we gave the comment, and you will be able to see the history. So that's how you can use Power Automate Desktop to check out the file, work with the file, and then check back in. Well, I thank you so much for watching this video.